Welcome back to CodeChef. Imagine buying 3 chocolates for 10 rupees each. How does Java calculate the total cost? Or what if you need to divide candies among friends? That's where arithmetic operators come in. They help Java do all kinds of math for you. Think of arithmetic operators like tools in a kitchen: a knife to cut vegetables, a spoon to mix ingredients, a scale to weigh flour. Each tool has a specific job, just like each operator has a specific mathematical task: adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, and finding remainders. In Java, arithmetic operators are symbols that perform basic mathematical operations on numbers. The main operators are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for division, and percent for modulus, which gives the remainder. Here's a simple example. Suppose we have 2 numbers, 10 and 3. We can add them to get 13, subtract to get 7, multiply to get 30, divide to get 3, and use modulus to get 1, which is the remainder. Each operation is stored in a variable, and when we print them, Java outputs 13, 7, 30, 3, and 1. A few quick tips. Division with integers gives only the whole number part. Modulus is great for finding remainders, such as checking whether a number is even or odd. You can also combine operators and expressions, but remember, Java follows operator precedence, so multiplication and division happen before addition and subtraction. Now it's your turn. Try the beginner-friendly CodeChef problem called Simple Calculator. Read 2 numbers, perform all arithmetic operations, and print the results. Today, you learned that arithmetic operators let Java add, subtract, multiply, divide, and find remainders. They're essential for all mathematical calculations in your programs. Keep practicing, keep coding, and remember: code, debug, repeat, build mastery with CodeChef.